They could have played.
Yeah.
John Telsley will now be giving the Vocal Music Awards.
I'm John Telsley, the Director of Choirs from the Fine Arts Department. I'll be wearing several hats tonight. The first one will be to give the Connie Award for an outstanding actor. And please hold your applause from Curtis Martin when you come forward. I'm telling good things about you. Curtis was selected after consultation with past drama directors. Some of his achievements were as follows. He was a participant in Tamil Indians, The Revenge of the Space Pandas, A Midsummer Night's Dream, and the musicals. He was Herr Zeller in The Sound of Music, Pa Carnes in Oklahoma, and of course an unforgettable portrayal of Tevye in Fiddler on the Roof. So the Connie Award to Curtis Martin.
He appears to be genuinely choked up about the award.
We are
I
most
remember when
grateful
he came in and said he really
for
always
the
wanted that
efforts
part.
of the Women's City
The
Club,
fiddler.
for their tremendous support of the music departments by their supplying of scholarships. I'd like to first bring up those who participated, and then followed by those who not only participated but won scholarships. So let me read the list of those, please. First of all, the participants did an excellent job. Julie Radeveld, Larry Gravinsky, Andrew Jarman, Elizabeth Sterling, Kurt Schmidt, Jody Visser, Randy Pitt, Frank Marshall, Greg Heisberg, Chris Hansen. I was at that competition. The East did an outstanding job. The judge brought a long time trying to decide this one. The 5 scholarship winners were as follows: Beth Clemmer, Betsy Joanna, Richard Keenan, Brett Chaffer, Betsy Collinson. Let's have a hand, please.
Another fine group of vocal musicians. They put so much time and dedication into their singing.
Some of these were the work for with the Women's City Club. They were like for instrumental also, and they could try out 4 different, for the scholarship.
Bridget, Brett, Beth. Because of the large number of students involved in vocal music, we have decided that only seniors will be recognized, and they shall have been in the program for at least 2 years, not necessarily consecutively, but they will have been there at least 2 years. These seniors have been part of a long tradition, and that goes along with Fiddler on the Roof. I thought I'd insert that. And this choir has earned 13 consecutive first place in the districts. The Madrigal Singers have won 13 first place in the district and 12 in the state, and we're so proud of them. The musicals we participated in, to kind of refresh your memory, was Mikado, Sound of Music, Oklahoma, and Fiddler on the Roof. It was kind of good for me to be refreshed on that, and kind of forget it after a while, but we're certainly proud of those productions and the people that were in it. Let me now call forward those people to be honored for the Vocal Music Award. Mark Berthold, Lisa Brown, Kenny Playbaugh, Pete Heineman, Carrie Knowlton, Debbie Taylor, Curtis Martin, Carolyn Knocker, Felicia Neymar, John Shea, Julie Simpkins, Stacy Thompson, Sarah White.
Do you know it's only 2 more days till graduation? Is that not right? Friday and Saturday?
Friday and Saturday. Graduation Sunday.
Yeah.
1:30, Rose Arena.
Arena, yeah. So they should consider televising that. I'm just coming up with all kinds of good ideas tonight, aren't I?
I think that would be a good idea.
I think that would be
I think
kind
they
of
could
fun.
get the hookups.
Mm-hmm.
They could probably.
Over the year,
I can just hear them going
concerts
bananas in the control room.
are sometimes favored with contributions. This year we received quite a few contributions, and so we have 3 scholarships for the following people. They are not aware of this yet. And by the way, I know there'll be some people feeling bad up here because the vote was very close. But these people were the winners based upon the vote of the choir. Mark Berthold going to Central Michigan, Carolyn Nobbert, Oberlin College, and Lisa Brown, Central Michigan.
Oh, that's nice.
We have one more award to give. I think we've secured this person so I can award this award. I have been fortunate, as we've done musicals and so forth, to receive most of the applause for that. But I can tell you, behind and beside and sometimes in front of me was a person whom we'd like to honor tonight. This person is an accompanist, an arranger, servant, friend. If you want to become great among men, you must become their servant. And we have that person tonight, I'm sure. Marge Dybel, would you please come forward?
Marge is retiring as the chemistry teacher. She has played piano for a lot of the musical. She has played the piano for the High Fever Follies. She has done so much. And the crowd is on their feet. Yeah, that's great. They really wanted to find some way to get her here tonight. Oh dear. That's
As
nice.
most of you know, Mrs. Dybel is going to retire in about 4.5 days. All right?
15 hours. She doesn't sound excited, does she?
Mrs. Dybel has been with us from the science department, known as Mrs. Chemistry, for about 25 years. She has always been one that expected the extreme of her students, the maximum. Every student we talked to that had been in a university in a science program that had left Mrs. Dybel's chemistry class, that had gone into chemistry and further education, have all come back and said, don't ever get rid of her. She is super. I have not had a bit of trouble in any chemistry class that I have taken at the university level. We certainly are going to miss you. Wish I were going with you. Well, let's give her a nice big hand.
I've taught next to Mrs. Dybel for 14 years. And I truly am going to miss her too.
Yeah. How many years did you say?
14.
14. Boy.